Oftentimes people will ask, Sandra, who's influenced you in your life and career? Well, there are a lot of people that I have interacted with. The people that have influenced me more recently would include some CEO level talent, global digital CEO, a CEO coach and book author, a chief innovation officer, an executive vice president of financial services, a lot of really interesting talent. Thomas Edison is also an inspiration. My personality type is the NTP on Myers-Briggs, so very much of an intuitive thinker and inventor type. I also am very influenced by Richard Branson in terms of how he approaches business. A lot of the talent that I placed was very innovative and creative, and they were able to move from one industry to the next. And so I try to coach people to think of possibilities outside of their traditional core sector, especially as we face a lot of changes in the 21st century in terms of business. I am able to help people look at things in more creative ways, and people can shift industries. I've attended seminars of amazing people like Deepak Chopra and spent time with him. One of my first bosses out of business school was a guy named Al Massini. He was the creator of Entertainment Tonight, a launch of a new television program, and that was a really interesting opportunity. It's inspired some of the multimedia approach that I now have in terms of my career coaching, because we need to create new industries. A lot of that will come through the technology advantages that we now have, and I think there are amazing opportunities by really marrying technology to some of the good work that people can do in terms of helping others worldwide and globally. We need to create more products and services that we can export. And some of that will be intellectual capital, information products. I encourage you to stay on top of things and to stay with us at the Art of Career Navigation, because we've got some amazing topics coming up. The radio show is going to be really exciting. I'm going to have some amazing guests, authors, CEOs. And so if you are in a career transition of any kind, or you're an entrepreneur, or you're in corporate America thinking about different ways to think about business, stay tuned, because we've got a lot to offer. And I'm delighted to have the opportunity to talk with you today, and I look forward to sharing more in the near future. Many thanks.